Riskit here with Jacob Peterson of Exodus Knife and Tool.
What's up, guys?
BladeShow, Texas. Jacob, what do you got?
Well, I've got basically high-vis jackalopes and adventure crafts. Everything else that I hoped to have sold before I got here. So that's about it. However, I do have some custom kydex for sale, some sprinkle pattern. I've got one clear kydex sheet. And then I do have the new 3D printed chroma scales, both the Trout, Lego, and the Mammoth Cave National Park topo. So I'm really excited about that. And then I've got the new Exodus Knife and Tool exclusive lantern bead as well that I'm very excited about. I've got my demonstration one on my Primitive Bear Knives Hunter's EDC. It was just the perfect fit for the bead. So it's the one on the table.
But not for sale.
Not for sale.
Knife's not for sale.
Had a lot of difficulty with things not being for sale at this show, specifically with the Legionnaire. People have asked me to purchase this like 27 times already. So I'm excited to get this into production for sure.
And what is this beast?
This is the Workhorse. You can also call it the Thickness. 0.391 of an inch thick. It was manufactured in collaboration with me by Bear Forest Knives, and it's been a whole lot of fun, and a lot of people have liked handling that too.
Down with the thickness.
Yep.
So you got jackalopes.
Yep.
And a jackalope skull.
Almost. I've got a big bag of knives for YouTube people who want to see certain knives that I've reviewed. Hidden Woodsman bag, some Stan Strong Art patches. I'm representing Joe X out here. Someone already tried to steal this patch actually, and I did have Joe X fans talk to me, so that was interesting, but his people are here.
Alright. And so, let's see, and so this, for your jackalopes,
Yep.
and your adventure crafts, that color scheme is
High-vis.
high-vis. Okay.
Yeah, and so the idea with the high-vis is red is the last color that the human eye can see as light is fading, and red and white is automatically associated internationally with emergency. So in Kentucky, orange and green was just not doing a good job of being high visibility. I needed to go another route. And I think I'm the first manufacturer to go with the red and white scheme for high visibility.
Well, that is a good looking combo. Alright, well, Jacob, where can they find your stuff?
ExodusKnifeandTool.com. Thank you.
Alright, well, thank you for spending some time with me. Have a good show, make lots of money.
All right.
Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.